Kala Bhairava Puja Vidhana. Take a picture of Kala Bhairava Swami or Yantra in front of you and then start your prayers. Slokam Atikrura Mahakaya Kalpanta Dahanopama Bhairavaya Namastupyam Anuknyam Dhatumarhasi. Please bow down in front of Kala Bhairava Swami and ask for permission to pray, to seek his blessings. Take some holy water and sprinkle on your head. Apavitrah pavitro va sarvavastham gato api va yah smaret pundarikaksham sa vahyabhyantarah suchihi. Pundarikaksha, pundarikaksha, pundarikaksha. Sprinkle holy water on your head. Then pray for Ganapati to help us complete our prayers without obstacles. Shuklam Varadharam Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopasantaye. After seeking Lord Ganapati's blessings, ring the bell as a sign, since the gods have arrived, may all the negative forces vanish. Agamanarthantu devanam, gamanarthantu rakshasam. Kurugantaravam tatra devatahvana lanchanam. Next is Bhudevi Namaskara. Prithvi tvayadruta lokah devi tvam vishnunadruta tvam cha dharaya mam devi pavitram kuruchasanam. After we take blessings of Bhudevi, let's do our Deeparadhana. Bhodīpa Brahma Rūpena Sarvesham Hrudi Samstitaha Atastvam Sthāpayamadhya Madajñāna Mapakuru. As you light the lamp, pray that may this divine light clear the fogs of ignorance, Maya, and show me divine light so that I can illuminate my life. Next is Achamana. Take 3 spoons of water from Uddarina and as you recite these 3 slokas, put it in your hand. Om Kesavaya Swaha, Om Narayana Swaha, Om Madhavaya Swaha, Om Govindaya Namaha, and drink it. And one more time, take a spoon of water and wash your hands. Continuing the Achamana process by taking 20 names of Lord Vishnu to purify body, mind and spirit. Om Vishnave Namaha, Om Madhusudanaya Namaha, Om Trivikramaya Namaha, Om Vamanaya Namaha, Om Sridharaya Namaha, Om Rishikesaya Namaha, Om Padmanabhaya Namaha, Om Damodaraya Namaha, Om Sankarshanaya Namaha, Om Vasudevaya Namaha, Om Pradyumnaya Namaha, Om Aniruddhaya Namaha, Om Purushottamaya Namaha, Om Adokshajaya Namaha, Om Narasimhaya Namaha, Om Achyutaya Namaha, Om Janardhanaya Namaha, Om Upendraya Namaha, Om Haraye Namaha, Om Sri Krishnaya Namaha. Now let's proceed to Bhuta Suddhi, an act of dispelling negative energies, harmful forces, obstacles from the worship space. To do it, take some akshata in your hand. As you listen to the mantra that follows, imagine it being charged with the power of mantra to expel negativities and impurities. Smell it and throw it towards your left side as a way of purification. उत्तिष्ठन्तु भूतपिशाचः एते भूमिभारकाः एतेषामविरोधेन ब्रह्मकर्म समारभे. प्राणायाम. ओम भुः ओम भुवः ओम सुवः ओम महः ओम जनः ओम तपः ओम सत्यम् ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. ओम आपो ज्योतिरसोऽमृतं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवः सुवरोम. Pranayama is done to help you focus and let go of the distractions so you can connect to the divine deeply. Now let's do your intention, sankalpa. To do that, hold some akshata in your left hand and close it with your right hand. Put it on your thigh and listen to this mantra. Mamopatta duritakshayatvara Sri Parameswara Muttisya Sri Parameswara Prityartam Subhe Sobana Muhurte Sri Mahavishnorajñaya Pravartamanasya Adya Brahmanaha Dvitiya Pararthe श्वेतवराहकल्पे वैवस्वतमन्वन्तरे कलियुगे प्रथमपादे जम्बूद्वीपे भरतवर्षे भरतखण्डे मेरोः दक्षिणदिग्भागे अमोघदेशे समस्तदेवता ब्राह्मण हरिहर गुरु चरणसन्निधौ अस्मिन् वर्तमान व्यवहारिकचन्द्रमानेन शुभनक्षत्रे शुभयोगे शुभकरण एवं गुणविशेषण विशिष्टायां शुभतिथौ श्रीमान् श्रीमतः और श्रीमती गोत्रस्य your गोत्र गोत्रोद्भवत्यः if it is married woman your name नामधेयस्यः नाम्न्यः if it is woman मम अस्माकं सहकुटुम्बस्य क्षेमस्थैर्य धैर्य वीर्य विजय अभय आयुः आरोग्य ऐश्वर्य अभिवृद्ध्यर्थं धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष चतुर्विध पुरुषार्थ फल सिद्ध्यर्थं धन कनक वस्तु वाहन समृद्ध्यर्थं सर्वाभिष्ट सिद्ध्यर्थं सर्वारिष्ट सर्वोपद्रव निर्मूलनार्थं श्री काल भैरव देवता परिपूर्ण अनुग्रह सिद्ध्यर्थं संभवद्भिः द्रव्यः संभवद्भिः उपचारैश्च संभवता नियमेन संभवता प्रकारेण यावच्छक्ति श्री काल भैरव पूजां करिष्ये. Transfer the akshata from the left hand into the right hand. Take some water from your panchapatra using uttarana and along with water and akshata, drop it into the plate, knowing that Kalabhairava Swami will help your sankalpa to get fulfilled. Now let's move to Kalasaradhana. To do that, take your kalasa, fill it with pure water, filtered water to the top, place a flower in it and keep stirring it as you infuse the water with the mantra power. For any futuristic rituals like Naivedyam or Suddhodaka Snanam, use this water. Om Kalasasya Mukhe Vishnu Kante Rudra Samasritaha Mule Tatra Sthito Brahma Madhye Matrugana Smritaha Kukshuto Sagara Sarve Saptadvipa Vasundhara Rugvedotha Yajurvedaha Samavedo Yadarvanaha Angaischa Sahita Sarve Kalasambu Samasritaha Ayantu Deva Pujartham Durakshaya Karakaha. Listening to the next stotra, use the water from Kalasa to sprinkle on Devata, yourself and puja stuff. Gange cha Yamune chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jalesmin Sannidham Kuru Kalasodakena Puja Dravyani Devam Atmanam cha Samprokshya. As you are sprinkling holy water as Samproksha, imagine all stuff purified. Next is Ganapati Stuti. सुमुखश्चैकदन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्दकः लम्बोदरश्च विकटो विघ्नराजो गणाधिपः धूमकेतुर्गणाध्यक्षः फालचन्द्रो गजाननः वक्रतुण्डशूर्पकर्णो हेरम्बा स्कन्दपूर्वजः. After this, we need to recite Kalabhairava Mula Mantra for 108 times. Take Dakshinamurti as your Adi Guru and follow this Mula Mantra as a Upadesa and with full faith, devotion and reverence, chant it for 108 times and more and get the blessings of Kalabhairava Swami. To begin, let's invoke Dakshinamurti as Guru Sloka. Vakye pideti supram cha bhasmoddhulita vigraham Jnanamudra Akshamalatyam Veena Pustakadharinam. Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye Mahyam Medham Prajnam Prayacha Swaha. Getting blessings from Dakshinamurti Adi Guru. To do Mantropadesa through me to you, please make a note of it and chant it for one mala, which is 108 times. You may also want to do it more than that if you wish to. Om Haram Harim Hurum Haraim Harom Ksham Kshetrapalaya Kalabhairavaya Namaha. Recite this Mula Mantra for a minimum of 108 times, that's one mala, and proceed to Shodopachara Puja. And before doing it, since we have to start with invoking the god, I want you to first visualize him standing in front of you. Okay? So close your eyes for a moment and visualize Kalabhairava Swami. You can take the reference before closing the eyes and the image in front of you if you have his photo, or else just close your eyes and listen to my description and visualize it. So see this Kalabhairava Swami standing before you, tall and powerful, with a dark gleaming complexion like night sky, very dark. His matted hair rises high, crowned with a crescent moon, a garland of skulls resting around his neck. He has 3 piercing eyes, radiating with wisdom, protection. 4 hands, he holds a trident, nose, drum, and a skull cup, because he is the creator, protector, and destroyer. He is draped in tiger skin, and a serpent's coiled around his body as ornaments. A black dog, ever watchful, sits by his side. His antlers chime softly, and he stands in cremation ground, surrounded by flickering flames, exuding a calm yet fearful energy. His gaze meets yours, dissolving fear and filling you with divine courage and devotion. To such Kalabhairava Swami, I am doing the prayers. So the sloka for Dhyanam. Hastambujalam Krutanagadandam Katkena Kandi Krutasetrupindam Kante cha Malayita Chandam Kasi Prabhum Vairavanadhamide Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Dhyanam Samarpayami. Put a flower in front of God. If you don't have Kalabhairava picture, you can use any Shiva's picture or Shivalingam or Spatika, whatever you have at your place. Avahayami Kalabhairava Kalisa Kasika Kshetra Palaka Ayahi Bhagavan Rudra Namastubhyam Krupanidhe Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Avahayami. Put a flower in front of him. Swagatam Swagatam Parameswara Deva Suswagatam Tava Bhavadarsanam Ichanti Bhakta Sarve Sureswara Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Swagatam Samarpayami. Put a flower in front of him. Asanam, we're asking him to now, we have invited him. Please sit, God, please sit in my puja room. Bhuteswara Ganadaksha Bhagavan Munda Malika Asanam Divyamesana Dasehyam Tupyameswara Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Asanam Samarpayami. Put a flower in front of the Lord, imagining he's just sitting in front of you. See, all these prayers, it becomes so real when you really imagine him sitting there as you invite him. Arkyam Kalisa Kalika Kanta Kalika Nandavardhana Arkyam Gruhana Devesa Varanasi Puraprabho Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Arkyam Samarpayami. Take some water from the kalasam water and with a flower or a betel nut leaf, just show it to the Lord and put it into the side. Just like sprinkle it. Patyam Rudra Bhairava Bhutesa Pretanada Prajapate Patyam Gruhana Mattatam Veerabandho Dayakhara Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Patyam Samarpayami. Sri Kalabhairava Swami, we are offering water. So again, take some water from the kalasam, show it to the Lord as if you are cleaning the feet and put it on the plate. Achamanam Ghoranadha Ganasyama Ganaswamin Yamantaka Ruhana Achamaniyancha Pavitrodaka Kalpitam Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Achamanam Samarpayami. Please take water and imagine as if you are offering to him to drink, to quench his thirst. See, the Sodopachara Puja becomes so real when you can actually imagine. So inviting, in case if you have a guest home, so what do? We show them restroom, in case they want to wash their hands and feet, and then we offer them some water. And then, as an extended hospitality, we also ask them, do you want to offer some juice, some refreshing drink? So that's what is this Madhuparkam. So prepare a small mixture of milk, curd, ghee, sugar and honey. Make it like a juice, and as you recite this sloka, imagine you're offering God this refreshing drink. So the slokam for Madhuparkam. Kshiratya samyuktam sarkara madhu samyutam gruhana deva devesa sarva girvana sevita Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Madhuparkam Samarpayami. As we offer the refreshing drink, now we are requesting Lord to take bath. Dip a flower in the kalasa, show to the Lord and sprinkle it on the plate next to you, imagining Lord is taking bath. Ganga Godavari Reva Payoshni Yamuna Tada Saraswatyadi Tirthani Snanardam Pratigruhyatam Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Snanam Samarpayami. Next is Vastram. Vastrani Ramya Varnani Vichitrani Navani Ja Maya Nitani Devesa Prasanno Bhava Bhairava Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Vastram Samarpayami. Either use Angavastram that you bought or Akshata or flower to offer as clothes to Swami. Next is Upavitam. Sauvarnam Rajatam Tamram Karpasasya Tadaiva Cha Upavitam Maya Dattam Prityartam Pratigruhyatam Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Upavitam Dharayami. You can get the holy thread and put it, or any thread made of cotton or akshata or flowers shall also do. Next is Gandham. Sarveswara Jagatvandiya Divyasana Samastita Gandham Gruhana Devesa Chandanam Pratigruhyatam Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Gandham Dharayami. Sosham sandalwood paste to Lord. Sindhuram Mukasya Samalamkaram Bhaktanam Subhadayakam Samarpayami Sindhuram Dharayeswara Bhairava. So put tilakam, the kumkum. Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Sindhuram Samarpayami. Bhasmam Sivarupa Mahadeva Jnanadayaka Bhairava Sugandha Bharitam Svetam Bhasmam Dharaya He Prabho Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Bhasmam Samarpayami. Put some Bhasmam on the Lingam Saligramu or show the idol. Pushpam Raktavarnani Ramyani Kadambadini He Prabho Maya Hrutani Pujartham Pushpani Pratigruhyatam Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Nana Veda Parimana Pushpani Samarpayami. Pushpamalam Samarpayami. So you can either put garland or put flowers onto the Lord. Kalabhairava Stuti. Namo Bhutanatham Namah Pretanatham Namah Kalakalam Namo Rundamalam Namah Kalika Premalolam Karalam Namo Bhairavam Kasika Kshetrapalam. Ashtabhairava Stuti. Asitangoruruschandaha Krodhaschonmattha Bhairavaha Kapali Bhishanaschaiva Samharaschaashtabhairavaha. Bhairava Dasanama Stotram. Kapali, Kundali, Bhimo, Bhairavo, Bhima Vikramaha, Vyalopaviti, Kavachi, Suli, Suraha, Sivapriyaha, Etani Dasanamani, Prataruthaya Yah Patet, Bhairavi Yatana Nasyat, Bhayam Kwapi na Jayate. Ashtottara Satanamavali. You can either use Bhasmam to do the Ashtotram or Akshata to do the Ashtotram, or you can just do Manasa Puja, imagining that you are offering Bhasmam or Akshata or flowers to Lord within you. Om Kalabhairavaya Namaha. Om Kasi Kshetrapalakaya Namaha. Om Kali Priyaya Namaha. Om Kapalahastaya Namaha. Om Kundaline Namaha. Om Bhimaye Namaha. Om Bhairavaya Namaha. Om भीमविक्रमाय नमः। ॐ व्यालोपवीतिने नमः। ॐ कवचिने नमः। ॐ शूलिने नमः। ॐ शूराय नमः। ॐ शिवप्रियाय नमः। ॐ डमरुखधराय नमः। ॐ खट्वाङ्गधाराय नमः। ॐ खड्गधाराय नमः। ॐ दण्डधाराय नमः। ॐ कामरूपाय नमः। ॐ क्रोधरूपाय नमः। ॐ मोहरूपाय नमः। ॐ मदरूपाय नमः। ॐ मद्यपायिने नमः। ॐ मांसासिने नमः। ॐ रक्तपायिने नमः। ॐ श्मशानवासिने नमः। ॐ गर्परासिने नमः। ॐ भूतनाथाय नमः। ॐ देवराजपूजिताय नमः। ॐ पिङ्गळकेशाय नमः। ॐ मुण्डमालाय नमः। ॐ आश्रितवत्सलाय नमः। ॐ भीषणसुन्दराय नमः। ॐ व्यासमुनिसेवताय नमः। ॐ अगस्त्यपूजिताय नमः। ॐ शङ्कराचार्यसंस्तुताय नमः। ॐ धर्मस्वरूपाय नमः। ॐ शत्रुभयङ्कराय नमः। ॐ दिक्पालकस्तुताय नमः। ॐ किङ्किणीक्वणन्नूपुराय नमः। ॐ तीक्ष्णदंष्ट्राय नमः। ॐ कपालस्रजे नमः। ॐ मृत्युदर्पनाशकाय नमः। ॐ अट्टहासभीतयमाय नमः। ॐ पापध्वंसकाय नमः। ॐ काशीपुरप्रवेशाधिकारिणे नमः। ॐ काशीमृतमुक्तिदायकाय नमः। ॐ कर्मपाशमोचकाय नमः। ॐ षण्मासतपसिद्धिदायकाय नमः। ॐ सिद्धिशक्तिप्रदायकाय नमः। ॐ साधकरक्षकाय नमः। ॐ पिङ्गलोचनाय नमः। ॐ योगिनीनायकाय नमः। ॐ आदिभिक्षुकाय नमः। ॐ कामिनीवसत्कृते नमः। ॐ ब्रह्मपञ्चममुखच्छेदकाय नमः। ॐ अतिनीलदेहाय नमः। ॐ दिगम्बराय नमः। ॐ आपदुद्धारकाय नमः। ॐ नवग्रहशासकाय नमः। ॐ जपप्रियाय नमः। ॐ होमप्रियाय नमः। ॐ ध्यानप्रियाय नमः। ॐ योगप्रियाय नमः। ॐ सिद्धेश्वराय नमः। ॐ श्वासपरिवाराय नमः। ॐ मत्स्योदरी तीर्थावतीर्णाय नमः। ॐ कपालमोचनतीर्थवासाय नमः। ॐ गङ्गातीरशवदहनाग्निरूपाय नमः। ॐ अघोरीनाथाय नमः। ॐ महाघोराय नमः। ॐ महाकालीपुरुषायितेष्टाय नमः। ॐ महावीराय नमः। ॐ वीरसाधनप्रियाय नमः। ॐ भक्तवरदाय नमः। ॐ निशाताण्डवक्रीडाभिरामाय नमः। ॐ मन्त्ररूपाय नमः। ॐ तन्त्रमार्गप्रियाय नमः। ॐ यन्त्रनिवासाय नमः। ॐ शवभस्मपूजप्रियाय नमः। ॐ पञ्चमकारसेविताय नमः। ॐ वामाचारप्रियाय नमः। ॐ दक्षिणाचारसन्तुष्टाय नमः। ॐ असिताङ्गभैरवाय नमः। ॐ लुरुभैरवाय नमः। ॐ चण्डभैरवाय नमः। ॐ क्रोधभैरवाय नमः। ॐ उन्मत्तभैरवाय नमः। ॐ कपालभैरवाय नमः। ॐ भीषणभैरवाय नमः। ॐ संहारभैरवाय नमः। ॐ रुद्रभैरवाय नमः। ॐ अग्निभैरवाय नमः। ॐ मार्ताण्डभैरवाय नमः। ॐ नागभैरवाय नमः। ॐ गजमुखभैरवाय नमः। ॐ मर्कटभैरवाय नमः। ॐ सिंहभैरवाय नमः। ॐ बगलामुखभैरवाय नमः। ॐ वराहभैरवाय नमः। ॐ सरभभैरवाय नमः। ॐ भद्रभैरवाय नमः। ॐ दण्डपाणिभैरवाय नमः। ॐ कराळभैरवाय नमः। ॐ वज्रहस्तभैरवाय नमः। ॐ आनन्दभैरवाय नमः। ॐ वटुकभैरवाय नमः। ॐ अविमुक्तभैरवाय नमः। ॐ महाकालभैरवाय नमः। ॐ यं 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 यक्षरूपं दशदिशि विदितं भूमिकम्पायमानं सं संहारमूर्तिं शिरमुकुटजटाशेखरचन्द्रबिम्बं दं 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 दीर्घकायं विकृतनखमुखचोर्ध्वरोमं करालं पं 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 पापनाशं प्रणमत सततं भैरवं क्षेत्रपालं रं 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 रक्तवर्णं कटिकटिततनुं तीक्ष्णद्रंष्ट्राकरालं घं 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 घोषं घोषं घ घ घ घ घटितं घर्घरं घोरनादं कं 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 कालपासं दृक् दृक् दृढितं ज्वालितं कामदाहं तं 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 दिव्यदेहं प्रणमत सततं भैरवं क्षेत्रपालं लं 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 वदन्तं ल ल ल ल ललितं दीर्घजिह्वाकरालं धूं 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 धूम्रवर्णं स्फुटविकटमुखं भास्करं भीमरूपं रुं 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 रुण्डमालं रवितमनियतं ताम्रनेत्रं करालं नं 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 नग्नभूषं प्रणमत सततं भैरवं क्षेत्रपालं वं वं वायुवेगं नतजनसदयं ब्रह्मसारं परन्तं खं खं खड्गहस्तं त्रिभुवनविलयं भास्करं भीमरूपं चं चं चलित्वा चल चल चलिताचालितं भूमिचक्रं मं मं मायीरूपं प्रणमत सततं भैरवं क्षेत्रपालं सं 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 शङ्खहस्तं शशिकरधवलं मोक्षसम्पूर्णतेजं मं 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 महान्तं कुलमकुलकुलं मन्त्रगुप्तं सुनित्यं यं 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 भूतनाथं किलिकिलिकिलतं बालकेलीप्रदाहनम् आम् 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 अन्तरिक्षं प्रणमत सततं भैरवं क्षेत्रपालं खं 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 खड्गभेदं विषममृतमयं कालकालकरालं क्षं 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 क्षिप्रवेगं दहदहदहनं तप्तसन्दीप्यमानं हौं हौं हौंकारनादं प्रकटितगहनं गर्जितैर्भूमिकम्पं बं 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 बालालीलं प्रणमत सततं भैरवं क्षेत्रपालं सं 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 सिद्धियोगं सकलगुणमखं देवदेवं प्रसन्नं पं 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 पद्मनाभं हरिहरमयनं चन्द्रसूर्याग्निनेत्रम् ऐं 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 ऐश्वर्यनाथं सततभयहरं पूर्वदेवस्वरूपं रौं 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 रौद्ररूपं प्रणमत सततं भैरवं क्षेत्रपालं हं 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 हंसयानं हसितकलहकं मुक्तयोगाट्टहासं धं धम धम नेत्ररूपं शिरमुकुटजटाबन्धबन्धाग्रहस्तं तं तं टङ्कानादं त्रिदशलटलं कामगर्वापहारं ब्रूं 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 भूतनाथं प्रणमत सततं भैरवं क्षेत्रपालम् इति महाकालभैरवाष्टकं सम्पूर्णम्। धूपं वनस्पतिरसोद्भूतो गन्धाढ्यो गन्ध उत्तमः आघ्रेयाः सर्वदेवानां धूपोऽयं प्रतिगृह्यताम्। श्रीकालभैरवदेवाय धूपमाग्रापयामि. You can show dhoop sticks or agarbatti or samrani, the best. Deepam साज्यं त्रिवर्ति संयुक्तं वह्निनायोजितं मया दीपं गृहाण देवेश त्रैलोक्यतिमिरापहम्. श्रीकालभैरवदेवाय दीपं दर्शयामि. So already you have already lighted the lamp, right? The diya. Just show the light to him and rotate a flower on top of the light and offer to the god. Dhupadeepantaram sutta achamaniyam samarpayami. Just put one drop of water from the kalasam or udkarana. Naivedyam. Offer all the food items that you wish to offer to Lord Bhairava, and with a flower sprinkle the holy water from the kalasa in clockwise direction. Om Bhur Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. If it is morning, you say Satyam Tvartena Parishinchami. If it is evening or night, Rutum Tva Satyena Parishinchami. So you do the sprinkling and then Amruta Mastu, Amruto Vastaranamasi. Just sprinkle water on the food items and Om Pranaya Swaha, Om Apanaya Swaha, Om Vyanaya Swaha, Om Udanaya Swaha, Om Samanaya Swaha. Saying like this to Kalabhairava Swami 5 times, you have to offer the food that we have prepared as Naivedyam. So while you are doing it, imagine that Lord is in front of us, sitting in Padmasana and happily eating all of these items that we have offered. Right? Maybe if he is eating, he may need some water. So, Madhye Madhye Paniyam Samarpayami. So, show some water which you have put to God and say, oh God, if you want to, don't eat fastly, eat slowly, I am here. I am enjoying that you are eating my food. So, slowly make the process enjoyable. Don't rush it. After you think God has finished eating, Hasto Prakshalayami. Just put some drop of water in the plate by showing it to God as if he is washing the hand. Then Pado Prakshalayami. Again show a drop of water to God and put it in the plate as if he is washing the feet. Sutta Achamaniyam Samarpayami. Once again, show the water with the spoon to the god and put it in the plate. Tambulam Pugipalaischa Karpureh Nagavalli Dalairyutam Gruhana Deva Devesa Tambulam Bhairavi Priya. Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Tambulam Samarpayami. Either you can put tambulam with betel leaf, nut and maybe banana as a fruit to Swami, or you can say instead of tambulam you can put pushpam or akshat. Nirajanam Agnir Jyoti Ravir Jyotihi Jyotihi Kali Maheswaraha Nirajanam Jagannatha Kasi Rakshaka Gruhyatam. Sri Kalabhairava Devaya Karpura Ananda Mangala Nirajanam Darsayami. So rotate the Karpura camphor thing 3 times, ringing the bell, and also show it to other gods in your temple room. Also, take a spoon of water in your Uddarana from Kalasham and rotate it around the Harati spoon, put it at the base, offer a flower to God and take Harati, thinking that all the karma that I have incurred, which is leading into the intention of mine not being fulfilled, is reducing with every time I am taking the camphor Harati. Mantra Pushpam. Take few flowers in your hand. Rajhadi Rajaya Prasahya Sagine Namo Vayam Vaisravanaya Kurmahe Same Kaman Kama Kamaya Mahyam Kameswaro Vaisravano Dadatu Kuberaya Vaisravanaya Maharajaya Namaha Sri Kala Bhairava Devaya Namaha Vedokta Suvarna Mantra Pushpam Samarpayami. Offer the flowers at Lord's feet. Samarpana Kayena Vacha Manasendriyaiर्वा Buddhyatmana va Prakrite Swabhavat Karomi Yat Yat Sakalam Parasmai Sri Bhairava Yeti Samarpayami. Mama Sankalpita Abhishta Siddhyartham Mayakrita Samantra Japa Sahita Kshoropachara Kala Bhairavat Deva Puja Phalitam Sarvam Kala Bhairava Devaya Samarpayami. Put the akshata in with the water in front of Lord in the plate. Kshamapana mantrahinam kriyahinam bhaktihinam sureswara yat pujitam maya deva paripurnam tadastute avahanam na janami visarjanam puja vidham na janami kshamasva parameswara yadakshara padaprashtam matrahinam chayat bhavet Tatsarvam Kshamatam Deva Prasida Parameswara. So the Kshama Prarthana is in case if I have occurred any mistakes in recitation of letters or the words or the phrases, please forgive me. Please help me with my wish fulfillment. Help me with clarity and focus so that I will be able to recite your stotras every day. Please, that is the biggest blessing I want from you, to be able to pray to you, seek you, surrender to you, let go of my karma, let go of my past baggages that is leading into misery in this current life. And help me with liberation, help me with happiness, joy and abundance. O Kala Bhairava Swami, this is my prayer. So this is what we need to pray as we seek forgiveness. At this point, the Kala Bhairava Puja is complete. In case if you want to do the Diksha, after Kala Bhairava Ashtakam, you may have to recite your Mula Mantra for 11 malas. That becomes Diksha, and you can do it the whole Kramam for 42 days. Someone may want to do it for 11 days or 10 days or 8 days or 22 days or 44 days, 42 days. So it's all up to your wish and your calling. Usually the Ashtami day of Kartika Masa, on the 8th day before the Purnima to 8th day before the new moon, the Amavasya. That is where we take the Diksha of Kala Bhairava Swami, because the Kala Bhairava Ashtami, the Ashtami din is what is considered his birthday. So as a reverence to him, the Bhaktas take the Diksha from Ashtami of before the full moon to Ashtami of after the full moon. This is during the Kartika Masa especially. I hope you have enjoyed this recitation, and please forgive me if there are any mistakes in recitation. Please forgive my ignorance if I have uttered anything wrong. Sarvam Sri Jagadambarpanamastu. Namaste.